What if the worst asteroids from history were on a collision course with Earth to strike tomorrow? Imagine the unimaginable destruction and the cataclysmic events that could follow. Today, we'll explore 10 of such potential asteroid collisions. Let's begin our countdown with number 10. As we embark on this journey, let's dive deeper into the world of asteroids. Asteroids, often referred to as minor planets or planetoids, are remnants from the early solar system, formed from the primordial solar nebula over 4.6 billion years ago. They are composed of various types of rock and metals, with sizes ranging from small boulders to objects that are hundreds of kilometers in diameter. One significant location of these celestial bodies is the asteroid belt, a region of space located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. This area is home to numerous irregularly shaped bodies, including the dwarf planet Ceres. The asteroids in this belt vary significantly in size, with the largest accounting for half of the belt's total mass. There are three main types of asteroids: C-type, S-type, and M-type. C-type asteroids are carbonaceous and make up most of the asteroids, whereas the S-type or silicate-based asteroids are stony in nature. The M-type asteroids are metallic and are primarily found in the middle region of the asteroid belt. Now that we know more about asteroids, their origins, and their diversity, we are better equipped to understand the potential impact they could have on our planet. Let's continue our countdown with the Tunguska Event next. At number 10, we have the Tunguska Event. This mysterious incident took place in 1908 in the remote Siberian wilderness. A meteoroid exploded in the atmosphere, releasing energy equivalent to 1,000 times the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. This resulted in an airburst that flattened around 80 million trees across an area of over 2,000 square kilometers. No casualties were reported due to the remote location, but imagine the devastation if this were to happen in a populated area tomorrow. Before we move on to our next asteroid, let's take a moment to understand the impact of these celestial bodies. When an asteroid collides with our planet, the energy released is staggering. Depending on the size and speed of the asteroid, the energy can be equivalent to millions, if not billions, of atomic bombs. This energy is what causes the enormous craters, such as the Barringer Crater, and flattens vast landscapes, like in the Tunguska Event. The aftermath of an asteroid impact is equally devastating. The dust and debris thrown up into the atmosphere can block out sunlight, leading to a nuclear winter effect. This can drastically affect the climate, leading to mass extinctions as seen in the dinosaur era. And while the chances of a large asteroid impact are quite small, they are not zero. Smaller asteroids, though less catastrophic, can still cause significant damage and have the potential to hit Earth more frequently. With this understanding, let's move on to our next asteroid. Moving on to number 9, we have the Barringer Crater. This gem of a geologic feature in Arizona was formed around 50,000 years ago, when an iron meteorite about 50 meters wide crashed into the Earth. The impact created a massive crater, nearly 1 kilometer wide and 170 meters deep. Imagine the sheer power of that event. It's a fascinating reminder of the cosmic forces at play. A similar event tomorrow would certainly leave an indelible mark. As we continue our journey through this cosmic minefield, let's take a moment to explore the role of asteroids in the evolution of our planet. Asteroids, despite their destructive potential, have been instrumental in shaping Earth's geography. The craters we've been discussing are not just marks of destruction, they are testament to the dynamic nature of our planet, a record of its ever-changing face. Think about it. The Barringer Crater, formed 50,000 years ago, stands today as a monument to our planet's turbulent past. Asteroids have played a significant part in Earth's history, not just by creating craters, but also by triggering mass extinctions. The most famous of these is the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event that eliminated the dinosaurs, paving the way for mammals and eventually, us humans, to dominate the planet. However, as the Chelyabinsk Meteor reminds us, asteroids also pose a potential threat to our future. The next big asteroid impact could lead to widespread destruction, altering the course of life as we know it. With this in mind, let's continue our countdown, keeping in mind the dual role of asteroids as both architects of our past and potential shapers of our future. At number 8, we have the Chelyabinsk Meteor. This cosmic interloper, which exploded over Russia in 2013, had an impact equivalent to around 30 Hiroshima atomic bombs. The shockwave shattered windows, causing over 1,000 injuries, and left a trail of damage across 6 cities. The Chelyabinsk meteor serves as a stark reminder of the potential danger lurking in the cosmos, showing us the terrifying power of space rocks hurtling towards our planet. Such an event tomorrow could shatter more than just windows. Before we continue our journey through the history of significant asteroid impacts, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of asteroids. These celestial bodies, often feared for their destructive potential, also offer us a stunning spectacle. When they burn up in our atmosphere, they create meteor showers, these radiant showers of light that have captivated mankind since time immemorial. Some of the most famous include the Perseids, the Leonids, and the Geminids, each offering a unique display of lights dancing across the night sky. These events have inspired countless works of art, literature, and even guided the course of history. In fact, the potential for future asteroid sightings is quite high. With advancements in technology, we're now able to predict and track these cosmic events with more accuracy than ever before, offering us the chance to witness these breathtaking celestial displays. With this appreciation of the awe-inspiring beauty of asteroids, let's move on to our next asteroid, the Sikhote-Alin Meteorite. Coming in at number 7, we have the Sikhote-Alin Meteorite. This gargantuan hunk of iron made its dramatic entrance into our world in 1947, over the Sikhote-Alin Mountains in Russia. The sheer force of the impact resulted in a meteorite shower, scattering fragments across a wide area. The aftermath? A landscape dotted with craters, the largest being 28 meters in diameter. An event like this tomorrow would certainly make headlines. Before we continue our countdown, let's take a moment to discuss something truly out of this world: the potential for asteroid mining. Asteroids, in addition to being potential threats, are also vast reserves of untapped resources. They are packed with minerals, metals, and even water, elements that are scarce or depleting on our planet. The potential for asteroid mining is immense. Imagine being able to extract and use these resources, not only for our needs on Earth, but also for further space exploration. It could be a game changer, reducing the costs of space travel and even making possible the colonization of other planets. However, asteroid mining is not without its challenges. The technical and logistical hurdles are enormous. Mining operations would require significant advancements in space technology, and the costs involved would be astronomical. There are also legal and ethical issues to consider. Yet, the benefits could outweigh the challenges. The wealth of resources that asteroids offer could fuel technological advancements and potentially solve resource-related conflicts on Earth. With this potential in mind, let's continue our countdown. After all, these celestial bodies are not just threats or curiosities, but also opportunities for our future. Next up, at number 6, we have the Vredefort Crater. This South African spectacle is the largest verified impact crater on Earth, with an estimated diameter of about 200 miles. Formed over 2 billion years ago by an asteroid impact, it's a stark reminder of the celestial threats lurking in our solar system. The Vredefort event played a significant role in shaping the Earth's geological landscape. Its sheer size and age underscore the destructive power of such collisions. A similar event tomorrow would be catastrophic. At number 5, we have the Sudbury Basin. Nestled in Ontario, Canada, this basin is an impressive 2 billion years old. Forged by a comet or asteroid strike, the Sudbury Basin is now a rich source of valuable minerals. Its formation has gifted us a glimpse into the Earth's ancient past, providing valuable insights into the destructive power of celestial impacts. But imagine if such an asteroid were to strike tomorrow. The impact would be devastating, irrevocably altering our world. Such an event tomorrow would reshape the face of our planet. Moving on to number 4, we have the Popigai Crater. Tucked away in the wilds of Siberia, this behemoth was formed about 35 million years ago when an asteroid roughly 5 miles in diameter struck Earth. The staggering force of this impact created a diamond-rich crater measuring 62 miles across. Such an event today would release energy equivalent to 1 billion atomic bombs. A similar event tomorrow would be nothing short of apocalyptic. At number 3, we have the Chesapeake Bay Crater. This fascinating impact site, nestled beneath the Chesapeake Bay, was formed about 35 million years ago. An asteroid, roughly a mile wide, slammed into what is now Virginia with a force 1 million times stronger than the largest nuclear bomb. This cataclysmic event left a crater over 53 miles wide and forever altered the geological landscape of the region. An event like this tomorrow could plunge the world into chaos. Coming in at number 2, we have the Chicxulub Crater. This gigantic scar on Earth's surface, nestled in the Yucatan Peninsula, is a silent reminder of the asteroid that ended the reign of the dinosaurs 65 million years ago. The asteroid, about 6 miles wide, unleashed a force 1 billion times more powerful than the atomic bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, creating a crater over 100 miles wide. A similar event tomorrow would likely spell the end for many species. And finally, at number 1, we have the Yarrabubba Crater. Nestled in the outback of Western Australia, the Yarrabubba Crater is considered the oldest known impact site on Earth. This ancient scar in the landscape was formed approximately 2 billion years ago, when an asteroid around 5 kilometers in diameter slammed into our planet. The cataclysmic event left a crater that once spanned roughly 20 kilometers across. The impact's sheer force would have caused unimaginable destruction, releasing energy equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs. Today, Yarrabubba serves as a stark reminder of the celestial dangers lurking in our cosmos. If such an event were to occur tomorrow, it would be a disaster of unprecedented proportions. Now that we've counted down these 10 devastating asteroid impacts from history, let's take a moment to ponder the aftermath if these celestial events were to happen tomorrow. Imagine the force of the Chicxulub impact, once more reshaping our world, or the Tunguska Event erupting in our time, decimating cities instead of Siberian forests. The Barringer Crater could be a gaping wound in the heart of a metropolis, while the Chelyabinsk Meteor could shatter glass in thousands of skyscrapers. Each impact, each collision, carries with it the potential to alter our world dramatically, triggering climatic shifts, causing mass extinctions, and reshaping our planet's geography. The potential devastation is indeed staggering. But why should we care about these potential threats from space, you may ask? Well, the significance of asteroid monitoring can't be overstated. These celestial bodies, while posing potential threats, also hold secrets to our solar system's history. By keeping an eye on them, we can not only predict possible collisions but also gain invaluable knowledge about the universe. It's not just about averting disaster, it's about expanding our understanding. The more we understand about these celestial bodies, the better prepared we can be. If you found this video informative and intriguing, we invite you to join our community of space enthusiasts. Click the subscribe button to stay in the loop with our latest discoveries and explorations. Remember to like this video to show your support and share it with your friends to spread the knowledge. Dive deeper into the mysteries of our universe, the threats we face, and the astonishing forces that shape our world. Stay tuned for more fascinating content about our universe. Thank you for joining us on this journey through space and time. We've explored the devastating potential of asteroid collisions, their historical impacts, and the importance of monitoring these celestial bodies. Remember, the universe is full of wonders and potential threats alike. Keep exploring, stay curious, and until next time, keep looking up.